This, Lord, ano ba yan? What is up YouTube? Carlo here and welcome to the vlog. And yes, my hair is a mess. This is one of those just woke up vlogs, so pagpasensya nyo ng aking buhok. Now for today's episode, it's going to be fun. After taking a shower, so I'll be back after I fix up, just so you see like a before and after. I'll be unboxing one of the weirdest looking sneakers I saw on Lazada. So I went through Lazada, the different sneakers that you can get from China, and I tried to look for the ugliest, weirdest looking, craziest shoe that I could find. I ordered it. It just arrived. We will check it out. It's actually over here. Bubuksan natin to. We'll put it on feet and I'll give you guys my review. The name of this shoe is the LLIOOLS New High Quality Men's Shoe Large Summer High Elasticity Flying Woven Coconut Shoes Retro. Now you might be thinking I was kidding about the name of the shoe. It says right here, guys. It says right here. And it sold for 1,428 pesos. It's new high quality men's shoes, large size 39 to 45 2020 summer high elasticity fly and move in coconut shoes retro style. We will be unboxing this legendary shoe straight from China. They didn't have this in the Philippines, so I had to wait. And apparently the first thing that I noticed is that it doesn't come in a shoe box. I guess that's what you expect if you just paid 1,000 something for the shoe. So it comes in this packing paper. So you have it taped up. Kind of surprised that it survived the flight. And this, Lord, ano ba yan? Guys, handa na ba kayo? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's take a look at one of the craziest looking sneakers that you can buy from Lazada. It's OMG, ano ba to? Guys, wait. Wait, okay. So this is how insane this is. This is the fusion between the Adidas Ultraboost and the Nike Vapormax. Because if you take a look at the air bubbles, so that's obviously inspired by the Vapormax. But what's even crazier is inside the air bubbles, you have what looks to be like some sort of boost foam material. So this is like double the awesomeness. Not only do you have air technology, you also have boost inside the air technology. So it's like air boost. Oh, diba? Again, this is the sneaker that's called, what's the name? Summer High Elasticity Flying Woven Coconut Shoes Retro Style. Oh, diba? Panalo! Now anyway, you have some sort of like knit upper with a faux leather overlay on both sides. Some sort of like faux suede at the toe box. You have this, which you can actually detach. And it says over here, sports. Oh, diba? So pwede mo siyang i-dikit with the buttons. So you have some sort of like cheap knit. Oh, I already broke it. Oh, okay. So that one's gone. So apparently I broke. So so this is what it's supposed to look like, right? So that's the button. Now the other side, when I took it off, it literally tore the entire mechanism. So I won't be able to use this anymore. You have fashion sport written on both lateral and media side, sports written on the shield, and then you have like some sort of filler inside made out of air. So this is the left pair. Now I'm sure you guys are curious to find out how this sneaker feels on feet. I am just as curious as you are, so we'll be doing that right now. Okay, so the first and most surprising thing about this shoe is that it is comfortable. I was initially thinking that it would be bad, as in really horrible, but as it turns out, for some insane reason, the guys who built this were able to fine-tune the pressure of the air so that it actually, it's okay, so it's not bad. Now, I was actually pleasantly surprised with the springiness. So it's actually very bouncy. You feel that sensation of your feet sinking into the foam or the boost, and at the same time, the air is the one that actually pushes you upward. This thing actually makes sense from an experience standpoint. The boost is the cushioning or the foam, because it's obviously not boost, and then the air, once you step on it, actually helps, I think, bouncing you upwards. It's actually, man, I was going to tear into this like crazy, but it actually works. Now, the only thing I have to criticize about this are two major things. First up, it is squeaky AF. So if you actually wear this every time you walk, especially on marble floors, it will be squeaky all over the place. The second thing is the cheap construction of the upper, but hey, you can't really complain. It's like 1,400 pesos. This part is apparently Velcro. I didn't realize that until I put it on my feet. And the Velcro is unevenly cut. So if you don't wear socks, there's a tendency for the Velcro to bite into the top of your feet. And secondly, the upper just looks weird. I mean, the color combination is really bad. So kudos to the guy who fine-tuned the foam with the air. But the guy who built this clearly did not have an eye for good color blocking. So this shoe will be filed under our new playlist called WTF. So we did a video, I think I did a video a couple of days, yesterday. So yesterday's video was the Nike ISPA Overreact. So this will be a new series on the vlog wherein I will react to and review ridiculous, insane products just like this or just like the Nike ISPA Overreact. So if you guys wanna monitor this playlist, just make sure to check back every now and then and watch the videos as they come, especially when they're labeled WTF. And before we end the vlog, let me just share with you guys that I recently announced a new giveaway. We're giving away a Seiko 5 automatic military field watch. If you want to join that giveaway, you will have to head on over to my second channel, which is called Carlo's Watch Vlogs. So if you're into watches or if you want to learn more about watches, please do check that channel out. I just put it up. It has like 1,700 subscribers, very young. And the new video I have reviewing the Seiko 5 field watch, the giveaway is there. So you have to subscribe to that channel, follow the mechanics there, and you get the chance to win. O, di ba, panalo? And as a surprise giveaway also, just like what I did with the carbon wallets, we're doing a surprise giveaway right now. So for everybody who's been watching up until this point, special treat for you again. All you have to do is to comment what you think about this insane shoe and include your IG handle. I will draw the winner in tomorrow's vlog. 24 hours, we will know who the winner is of that shoe. Size 11 to 12, it should fit you. Maybe if you're size 10, it can even fit you probably. But yeah, good luck. And with that said, if you guys enjoyed, as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.